Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the GOOLOO GT6000 Jump Starter to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. The 6,000 ampere peak cranking power enables GOOLOO GT6000 to start almost all 12-volt dead vehicle engines up to all gasoline or 12.0-liter diesel in just a few seconds. Compared with a traditional car jumper or jumper cables kit, it's really powerful enough, but more compact. Perfectly compatible with RVs, pickup trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, tractors, boats, etc. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the GOOLOO GT6000 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, parts description, display screen, USB Type-C in or out port, USB 1 out port, USB 2 out port, DC out port, power button, boost button, 12-volt battery clamps output, LED light. How to use. Connect the red clamp to positive and the black to negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on the clamp is on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Ensure 50 or above charge remains to start your car. Don't start a huge engine-sized car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug is not completely inserted to avoid the clamp melted. Don't start your car if the products are blown up. How to recharge. This unit can be charged using the Type-C cable and a wall charger. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.